winter 2022. This is in January, and I remember opening the door to my house, and the snow was up to like my knees, like because it was also a basement, right? And I was like, "There's no way I'm getting out of my house." So I remember taking a picture and putting it on my team's group chat, telling like my team, like, guys, like, yeah, I'm not making it in today. Like, I can't, like, like, I'm probably not coming, like, for the next couple of days.
Yeah.
I can't maneuver. And like, I remember I did order food though. So